Let's talk finally about Twitter, because this one I own and it's been around a good long while. It's been listed a long time. It's got the platform which is sort of stagnated at around 300 million. It also has Donald Trump and a few other high-end users, you could say. The market cap, though, has stagnated at 12.5 billion rands. No, not rands, dollars, sorry. Let's look at the share chart while I'm talking. No dividend yield, no price to earnings ratio. So it went as high as $70 in the early heyday when it appeared to be able to grow by 50 million users every quarter. But it's since gone sideways below $20. At one point it looked at a possible sale and there were some various interested parties. But partly because of their difficulty with blocking or getting rid of like problematic trolls and people like that. It's got a trolling problem as well.
Yeah, I mean, we heard about the Gupta bots on Twitter as well that were deployed or engineered
to kind of give journalists a hard time.
Exactly. I just saw over the weekend that Redi Tlhabi, who's a prominent journalist and radio personality, used to be on 702, her account was completely hacked, and she actually had to start a whole new account. Twitter's not willing to help her because she's not verified.
Wow. And she's got like 400,000 followers.
Exactly. So she was verified for the 400,000 followers, but they can't verify her new account because she doesn't have more than 10,000 followers yet. So there's a little bit of a risk in Twitter as well, and on that front, I mean, you can be exposed to something like fake news, and they are struggling to censor inappropriate content as well. And yeah, I mean, stagnating usage. I love Twitter. You love Twitter. I use it to consume news. I think it's an excellent platform for that.
Because the nice thing about it is that you can customize your feed, so you can follow exactly those people in finance or markets, or and as you would be fashion, I would be trail running and plant growing or whatever it is that I'm interested in.
Plant growing.
Yeah.
We need to talk. So yeah, I mean, unfortunately, the kind of user base has stagnated around that 300 million, and because the user base has stagnated, the percentage that they're getting from ad spend has stagnated as well, and it's actually reducing because other platforms are still growing. So
okay, we're running out of time. In fact, we are out of time. But as far as it goes, one final point: they do have a few things, like they bought the rights to some media events, and they seem to have got those ad supported. I hate the way also that the management team doshes out far too many shares to its employees, none of whom seem to stay anyway. So what to do? Hot or not? Not hot for you, itself?
Yeah, for me it's a not hot. I need to see evidence of a turnaround or an actual offer on the table for Twitter.
Yeah, look, I own them, so I'm going to give them a sympathetic hot just because, I'm a diehard.